The hip abduction, start by grabbing your ankle cuff and safely securing the lever by pulling out the yellow knob and bringing it all the way down toward the floor. Now this Cybex machine has another attachment and an adjustment. By pulling on the yellow knob, it can be up or down. Make sure it's in a level position before attaching your ankle cuff. Go ahead and adjust your weight to an appropriate level in your training plan. Once that is done, place the cuff around your ankle and attach the carabiner to your ankle cuff. Once you have that all set, stand up, grab your assistance, whether that is a pole or a chair. Standing forward, in this case my ankle cuff is on my left leg for hip abduction. Now if you don't have the right weight, go ahead and readjust it. Stand facing forward, the pole or the chair is in your opposite hand. Shoulders square, hips square to the front. Take your cable leg and bring it away from your body and control the in. Your stabilizing knee is softly bent. What I don't want to see is you leaning all the way over and moving your body. Stay in a nice upright position while you do the movement. Use the pole for assistance and balance. Hip abduction.